This video is going to be about hidden waterfall deep in the mountains of Assam. They say that going to the mountain means going to the home. That is what we are going to find out.
But first, why? Some mystics speak about this idea that the worst thing that can happen to you is that to be an unused life. Whatever your capabilities, you must stretch them to a limit and a little beyond, So I instantly fell in love about this idea, and here we go. And I can tell you one thing, that I'm not ready for this. Hundreds of elephants live here and I'm afraid of it,
Okay, the adventure begins here, and you're gonna learn a bit about something that you might not know about the jungle of northeastern India. See you in a bit. So, was it a good idea or a bad idea?
If you are looking for an adventure, then I think it's a good idea. But if you are someone like can't risk their life, then you should be staying in your home, and it's a bad idea for them, not for us. We are going because we are here for adventure, so we're going.
First, we're going to a place where very few people visit, and it is very near to the Gauhati airport. And second, people are afraid to go there because of the elephants.
This is like a huge botany garden, right? This is filled with nature. I love it, man. I just love it. There are lots of mushrooms, see? But this mushroom is edible, Yes, this is edible.
Edible.
And look at this. Wow, this is so beautiful, man. Really, this is so amazing. Look. All the yellow stripes in the wings. Wow. And all the orange,
Don't hurt it. Leave it.
Let me eat, okay? Should I eat this? No, I don't want to kill him.
Some boy, let's go.
Should I eat this?
Let's go.
Should I eat this?
Leave it.
Let him fly.
Wait. Oh, yes.
Let him fly. Let him fly. Let him fly. Go. Whoa, I will leave him here. Oh, sorry, man. I will leave him here, okay? Oh, goodbye. How is this happening, I'm full of energy packed. Let's go. Look at my goosebumps. Wild boar is digging up all this mud, This is getting more scarier. Okay, we are halfway done, and sometimes I wonder about the real fear of being in the jungle and fear of the wild. This is what makes our lives beautiful and colorful. I see the walls are green and the sky is blue. Oh, it's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. You're moving very slow.
Are you exhausted or what?
A little bit, but I can go on. Let's go. A little bit refreshment. Let's move on. I'm so excited. Can you hear that sound? It's the sound of a waterfall. For the very first time. Wow. This is gonna be so interesting. Let's go.
Wait.
One step, Step. Step.
There I was, having mixed feeling of calm, excitement, as well as peaceful.
So I'm gonna end the video here, and until next time, bye. And by the way, there's a special video coming. Okay, just wait for that. Bye.